What's good, everyone, and welcome back with Fabrications. Back at it. Yeah, I've been slacking. No, I have been slacking on videos. My bad. So I'm gonna do a few-minute video for y'all on some DOM sleeves, donuts, spring pockets, reinforcement, some things maybe you homies out there should be doing, maybe not be doing, or maybe scratching it. Should I? I don't know. But yeah. Stay dialed in for that, tuned in. Yeah, so I've been at the frame here and there and here, and gonna explain where I'm at now and some other things, all right? And before I do that, before I do that, I'm tired, so just bear with me. So if I stutter, it is what it is. I'm tired. So definitely shout out to the homies that's coming in the channel. I've been, I see you, coming into the channel, much love. Definitely shout out to the homies in California, where I'm at, to Texas, where you might be at, to other states, to worldwide. Keep doing your thing for real, all right? So, yeah. So I'm trying to think what's the last video I did. I'm pretty sure it's been a cool minute. I'm pretty sure it was the center cross member. Yeah, so if you want to go back and check that out, go ahead. But just to say it real quick, 1/4 inch wrapped all the way around the existing cross member, which was or is tubing in there. All right, so if I got down here close, you can see the tubing in there. You can see that little tubing in there, which runs through the frame. So I decided to use that. It's in another video. So what I'm doing is applying to basically a lot of frame wraps. All right, if you got a kit out there, you got a kit. This is a 1963 Ford Galaxie frame. Okay. So I don't have a kit, got to cut from paper and put it to steel. All right. So, yeah. So what I want to explain. So where I'm at now is side of the spring pockets. So from the front, one piece back to the, I almost said motor mount, back to the front body mount, or the first one. And then I got the inside done. So we'll get in here a little bit. All right. And I got some little screw ups here, but that's from clamping it and trying to, bend it. But it's gonna be shot black anyway. Ride it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Later on I might do something to clean them up because they show, but have my homie airbrush them. Who knows? But another thing I want to bring up that I have brought up in other videos, if you're new watching this, is all this is butted up. So if you're out there trying to weld a frame or plate, don't try to weld a gap like that. Try to get it as close as you can, all right? Yeah. So let's talk about some DOM real quick. So I made me some more. DOM with donut welded to the bottom of it. Now the donut's 1/2 inch. So this is what your kits come with. So this is, I think, a little over, I think it's about 1/4. So I'm almost running twice that, okay? Not gonna bend. Now I'm gonna take this over here, over there, all right? And I'm gonna flip my camera upside down, I think. Get this light under here. And you homies out there, if you are just, I'm gonna say, if you're even laying and playing, or just bouncing the car a little, around a little bit, or even putting hydraulics in it, you see this? I can't even see through my phone. Oh, there you go. You see that lip right there? That little ring? Cut that out. Get your, air tool on your air compressor, a little cutting wheel, and cut that out. There's no purpose for it besides to bend it and smash it up against and then what you'll have happen is your donut, if you're running one thin donut, it'll end up bending. All right, so that's why we're going with the 1/2 inch. Oh, that's bright. That's bright. So that's why we're going with 1/2 inch. All right, so if I put this up in the spring pocket, all right, see, it wants to move around. So if I cut, well, when I cut that out, it'll be sitting flush. So it has no room to move around, even though this is going to be welded in, okay? Another thing I decided to leave, the stock purchase, okay, with the riveted. And reason being is I got the frame thickness. These are 1/8 inch thick. There's another plate in there, which brings it to over 3/16 around there somewhere I measured. And if you get an idea, I ain't got to worry about it, you know what I'm saying? So back over to this side. So I got it coming through. If I just kind of, if you just eyeball that, got plenty of strength, all right? So I'm going to pretty much leave this video at that. And I will be continuing on to the bridge. I want to get this frame wrapped up so I can get the body back on it. Because I got A-arms and stuff, a lot of stuff to do, but one-man job, you know what I'm saying? But, much love to you homies. I hope you enjoyed the video, got something from it, or just enjoyed it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, keep it one out there, keep it real, be safe and all that good stuff. Have a good one. I'm out. Peace.